With the app set up, let's wire up what your customers see. 2 theme blocks. We're in the theme editor with the cart template open. The cart has an apps section, and inside it sits our net terms banner block. Adding it is one click, add block, open the apps tab. And there are the net terms tracker blocks, finance dashboard, and net terms banner. Pick the banner, position it near the checkout button, and save. Don't worry that the preview looks unchanged. This block is smart. It only renders for customers you've approved for terms. Everyone else's cart stays exactly as it was. The second block is the customer portal. Create a regular page called Finance Dashboard, give it its own template, and drop the Finance Dashboard block in the same way. Notice the preview says, "Please log in." Customer numbers stay safely behind the login. Now let's see it as a customer. Jenny is approved for Net 30 and signed in. Her finance dashboard greets her with her terms badge and 3 numbers: available credit, outstanding balance, and her total limit, plus every invoice, each with a due date countdown and its own PDF download. The "What's My Balance" emails stop. She picks a snowboard and adds it to the cart, and there's her banner. Account active, her credit limit, what this order uses, what she already owes, and what's remaining. She knows exactly where she stands without emailing anyone. On to checkout. At the payment step, the terms option sits right next to the credit card. It carries whatever name you gave the manual payment method. Here, Net 30 terms. She selects it, no card fields, nothing to type, and completes the order. And look at the confirmation. Approved, net terms active, credit limit updated, with a pointer back to her finance dashboard for the invoice. That order is already sitting in your log, due in 30 days. Your store now runs B2B credit like it has a finance department. One more thing, the half that protects you. This buyer has nearly maxed their credit. They try a bigger order. And look at the payment step. The terms option isn't there. Not grayed out. Gone. They can still pay by card today, but they cannot dig a deeper hole on credit. That's the gatekeeper, checking every single order so you don't have to.